Okta Cybersecurity Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think cyber attacks only happen to big corporations. The surprising truth about online security is that small businesses and everyday users are now the fastest growing targets. Okta is a cybersecurity and identity management platform that protects logins, passwords, and access to digital systems. Instead of remembering dozens of passwords or relying on weak login protection, Okta acts as a secure gatekeeper between users and their apps, networks, and data. Here is how it works in simple terms. When you log into your company email, accounting system, or cloud storage, Okta verifies who you are using multi-factor authentication. This can include a password, a phone code, biometrics, or device recognition. If something looks suspicious, access is blocked before any damage happens. Most people get this wrong, but here's why Okta matters. Over 80% of data breaches happen because of stolen or weak passwords. Okta dramatically reduces this risk by enforcing strong authentication rules and monitoring login behavior in real time. Businesses also use Okta to control who can access sensitive systems. For example, when an employee leaves a company, Okta can instantly remove access to all connected tools, reducing the risk of insider data leaks. Okta integrates with thousands of popular apps including email platforms, cloud storage, HR systems, and financial software. It is widely used by enterprises, universities, hospitals, and remote teams. The biggest benefit is peace of mind. You do not need to manage dozens of login rules manually. Everything is handled from one dashboard with activity logs, access reports, and security alerts. Okta is best for businesses that handle sensitive data, remote workforces, and companies that want to prevent breaches before they happen. If online security is important to your business or organization, Okta is a serious tool worth considering. Subscribe now for more honest technology and cybersecurity reviews.